Hi guys, welcome to Paswan's blog. Speaking helps to improve communication skills. So we should always try to speak. No matter what the situation you have, you just try to speak on that particular situation when you start. So English starts improving. So now I am going to start. I have started. You could see Agastya is here. Agastya is playing the Ludo and
बाय करो बाय करो
yes, Agastya is playing here. You could see. So this is the Ludo and what is this called game? Ludo Chakka in Hindi. We don't know in English what it is called. You could see Sia is dancing. Sia is enjoying. You could see Agastya is coming. Agastya wants to come to watch making me blog. Sia is dancing and Pius is studying the newspaper. You could see. And Suju is also studying the newspaper. Ankush is also studying newspaper, sitting on the bed. You could see.
Watch this head.
I am making the blog, so how could I watch that? You could see. Sia has taken the Ludo. Agastya is saying something to his mama. That mummy, Sia is taking the Ludo. So now C is sitting over here. Now you could see their faces. They are studying newspaper like they are doing something. In reality, they are not studying. They do not know about the newspaper, but still they are studying. You could see this is the handsome person whose name is Ankush. Yes. No, you will not go. So within 20 minutes we will go. As you know, I teach students about the spoken classes. So I will go there at 7:50 o'clock. Until 8 o'clock I will teach there. Till 9 o'clock I will teach spoken classes. After that 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock I will teach maths classes. So this is my routine of each and every day. Now they are just making me fool. Now Sia has gone outside. You will see. Yesterday it rained a lot. Sia is here. Now today weather is very cold. Little bit cold. It is very good weather. So I'm enjoying here. And if you're capable to see, there is water lost. There is water lost. You can see there is water lost. And now Agastya has started crying. Hey, Agastya is crying. Take to Agastya. Hey, why are you fighting with each other? So now I'm going upstairs. You could see here is the slippers. Now I am going on upstairs. So I am about to reach on upstairs. Now I have reached on upstairs. So now you could see here are the utensils, and there is a bucket. From here you could also see if I am capable. You could see Pius is there. If you are capable to watch, Pius and Sia are going. Pius has hanged the bag. Now they both are fighting with each other. So making blog is important, and speaking on any situation is very important. Whatever situation you have, you just try to speak on that particular situation to get the fluency. Oh my god, what they have done. It would be dangerous. So now I'm going to do it clearly. What is it? It could be dangerous. My father will repair it after coming. I am not going to touch this. So is there something else on that I could make? The English? No, nothing is here. So once again I am going downstairs. You could listen. Sia is crying. It may be Pius. Otherwise Agastya may have bitten her. So now I am going downstairs. You could see Sia is crying. Why are you crying? You could see Agastya wants to take the phone. Wants the phone. You could see Agastya wants the phone. He's coming to take the phone. Come. So come here. You want take the phone? Come, baby. Agastya wants to take the phone, but I'm not going to give him phone. You could see Pius has hanged the bag, and he will also go with me. Yes, where do you wanna go? Hey, don't take Agastya. Agastya will start crying. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. Thank you.